This quick honest review is of the Arm & Hammer baking soda fridge and freezer odor absorber. Let me show you. Here's a great little product from Arm & Hammer, the company that's made baking soda famous for all the different uses for it, from laundry to cleaning to everything else. What this does, you just put in your refrigerator. As I say on the top, one for the fridge and one for the freezer. There's a little tab here at the side. You basically just pull this open, pull that off, and you place it in one of the shelves in your refrigerator or in the freezer. What this does, it just helps to remove the odors and that in your refrigerator. So we've got a front part and there's a back part as well. So as I said in the directions, remove both the front and the back panel. So what it does is it's for airflow coming through. So you want to do both the front and the back. What I have found with these is sometimes it's a little, you've got to just really get the indentations there lined up to remove it. So that's basically how it's going to look. You open that up, just put it on one of the shelves in your refrigerator, and that's all you do. It lasts for, they say change it every month. I've sort of found that these can even last a bit longer than that. And it really just helps to keep your refrigerator and your freezer, any odors from food and stuff like that just get absorbed through this. And it works really well. I'm been really impressed with it. The price point is also great. On Amazon, you can buy a pack of 12 of these for $12. So it's $1 each. They've got some subscribe and save as well. We'll save another couple of bucks. So, less than $1 if you subscribe and save for each of these. So yeah, definitely highly recommended. The baking soda doesn't come out or anything like that, so there's no you have to worry about it spilling everywhere and having baking soda everywhere. Nothing like that. You just remove those panels at the side, put it in the refrigerator, and it's as simple as that. So I'm going to give this product definitely 2 thumbs up. This is a highly recommended product. Great price point. Really works to keep your refrigerator and your freezer not having any odors or smells. So yeah, definitely a good product. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.